Hello, welcome into today's video. In today's video, I'll be talking about how I was able to install a new power cable for this ring light and tested it to see how it's working, and it is something that anyone can do. So I'll be taking you step by step on how I did this. So you can see from this part, you can see that the power cable is not functioning, it's bad, you understand? And then I had to loosen it. After loosening the panel box, then I had to use my soldering iron to desolder these 2 points, and then after then I had to get a new cable, new charger. You can get a USB cable, and then when you get the USB cable, all you have to do is to cut out the part you plug into your phone. After cutting this part, cut it out, cut it off, and after cutting it off, all you need to do is to peel it. You are going to see 4 different cables. After cutting it off like this, just make sure that you peel it. See this 4 cable, you are going to use only the red and the black because those are the power cable, and then connect the red to this 5 volts and the black to this ground part of it. And once you connect it, you are good to go, just like this, and you have it functioning. Plug it to your power bank, and then you test it like this, and you are good to go. Yeah, you can see that it's working very well. It's working effectively. You can see it working perfectly. So follow for more. Thank you.